Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a fascinating update from Google that's all about making its AI mode more accessible and integrate it into our daily digital lives. This is a big deal, and I'm excited to break it down for you. So what's happening? Well, Google is rolling out a new feature on its Android app that gives users quick and persistent access to their AI mode history. This means you can easily jump back into your AI-powered conversations without any hassle. It's like having a dedicated space for your AI interactions right at your fingertips. Now, this might not seem like a huge deal at first, but when you think about it, it's a significant step towards making AI a more natural and seamless part of our digital routines. Google is essentially saying, hey, AI is here to stay, and we want to make it as convenient as possible for you to use it. One of the key changes is the placement of the AI Mode History button. It's now front and center on the Home tab, replacing the lab speaker icon. This move sends a clear message. AI Mode is an integral part of the Google experience, not just an experimental feature. And when you tap on it, you're greeted with a slide overview of your recent AI chats, making it super easy to pick up where you left off. But that's not all. Google has also made some subtle tweaks to the AI Mode homepage for consistency. The history icon is now on the left, and the back button has been replaced by a down chevron on the right. These might seem like small changes, but they contribute to a more polished and user-friendly interface. What makes this update even more interesting is that it's not just limited to Android. Google has been testing these changes on iOS since December, and now it's bringing them to Android users too. This cross-platform consistency shows Google's commitment to making AI Mode a universal feature across devices. So why does this matter? Well, personally, I think it's a sign of things to come. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, we're going to see it integrated into our daily lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. And Google, with its massive reach and influence, is leading the charge. By making AI Mode more accessible and familiar, they're paving the way for a future where AI is as commonplace as search engines are today. In my opinion, this update is a brilliant move by Google. It's a subtle yet powerful way of normalizing AI interactions and preparing us for a future where AI-powered tools are an integral part of our digital toolkit. And that, my friends, is something worth getting excited about. So what do you think? Are you ready to embrace AI Mode with open arms? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.